Yes, she said, blushing. I am actually even more engaged with myself. Hi there, I'm Katie Temple, and the she was my client in a session that we had about 2 weeks ago. She was practicing for a big presentation that she had coming up, and I was recording her. And we were going over how much more impactful you can be when you punctuate certain words, and more engaging you can be when you punctuate certain phrases. She was working on that. When I played the video back, and I showed it to her, and I said, "Do you see how much stronger you're coming across?" She paused, and that's when she said, "Yes, I'm even more engaged with myself." Why am I telling you this story? Because it's crucial that when you're watching yourself on video, look and see what you're doing well first. Whether your body language is open or you have great eye contact, have a big warm smile, good cadence, great presence, whatever it is, take note about why you like it and why it's so convincing. That way you can start committing even more to that strength and getting even better first. In a world where it's easy for us to criticize ourselves, I challenge you to go with the positive first. It sets the right mindset. And on another note, I'm excited about my next Mastering the Lens workshop. It's right around the corner. There will be a ton of strategies about how to present more confidently in person and on camera. And I'd love for you to join. If you mention this video in our discovery call, you get an automatic $250 discount. Please register in the link below.